Hann Kuen Machinery, as the known brand Hardy, located in Taichung City, Taiwan, is a manufacturer with more than 3 decades of experience in drilling spindles, tapping spindles, boring, milling spindle heads, and sliding tables for special purpose machines. In any spindle, the key component is bearing. Global brands from Japan, Switzerland, France, and Italy all use NSK, SKF, or TPI bearings to ensure the performance and lifespan of their spindle products. Hardy uses the same bearings as these global brands, delivering the same performance and high accuracy for you, but at a lower cost. Special purpose machine tools require very fast components to achieve reliable and precise production operations. Drilling and tapping are the key applications for any components in production operations. The motors on Hardy drilling and tapping spindle units can be configured in all 360-degree directions and provide multiple directions to adapt to customers' environment and space requirement. The spindle housing itself is an FC30 casting, which further underwent precision boring and honing, and the material for spindle are alloy steels subjected to high-frequency heat treatments. They are assembled with SKF Germany, NSK Japan, or Taiwan TPI precision bearings, maintaining the accuracy within 0.003 millimeters. At mass production plants, it is recommended to use spindles coupled with servo-driven slide products, as the design with precision ball screws and linear rails not only provides accurate depth control and adjustable feed speeds, but can also move rapidly to accurate position for cutting, which reduces traveling time and enhances production efficiency. For customers with special integration in trunnion rotary machines, Hardy also provides the flange-type boring and milling spindle head as an individual machining unit to give customer maximum flexibility in their machine designs. With decades of specialized design and manufacture of spindles, Hardy offers superior quality and wide range of product lines and has received Taiwan Excellence Award. These spindle units from Hardy are excellent choices for your production machine applications.